This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ready-made pasta, full guide. Start by reading the package for cook time and water ratio and prep a large pot of heavily salted water. Bring it to a rolling boil, then add pasta and stir immediately. Watch the clock and taste a piece a minute before the shortest time listed to test for al dente texture, then drain and dress. Boil, taste, and time are the three pillars of good ready-made pasta. Use plenty of water and salt it well so the noodles are flavored from the inside out. Save a cup of starchy pasta water before draining. It helps sauces cling and smooths texture when mixed. Toss pasta with sauce immediately in a hot pan for a minute to marry flavors and create a silky finish. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small treat that smells great after a long grocery run with pasta ingredients. It's an easy, fun pick-me-up between steps, and you can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a sauce that matches the pasta shape and keep it warm before combining. Add the drained pasta to the pan, toss with sauce, and splash in reserved pasta water to bind everything into a glossy coating. Finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, or a drizzle of olive oil for brightness. Serve immediately on warm plates so the texture and temperature stay perfect for eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.